Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today, nakatapos tayo ng Thanos project natin. This Thanos is a Marvel Legends action figure na kinustom repaint natin na ang look niya ay yung comic book paint style. So yung process is to apply clear primer. Ito yung clear primer na ginagamit ko, Bosni number 191 flat clear. Nag-add tayo ng shadows. We applied highlights layer 1, highlights layer 2, line art, and top coat. Yung top coat, Bosni number 191 flat clear din yung ginamit ko. So this is the same, clear primer and top coat yung ginamit natin. Kaya tayo gumagamit ng clear na primer para hindi na magbago yung color ng base figure natin. So kung nari yung blue, yung base color, nag-add na lang tayo ng shadows and highlights to create this effect. And also, thank you very much Hero Paints for sponsoring yung mga projects natin, yung mga past projects and yung mga upcoming projects. Thank you very much for sponsoring this video and for sponsoring yung mga paints na ginagamit natin for the custom repaint na projects. In terms of articulation, wala namang nabago, so you can still turn the head of Thanos, bend the arms outward, ab crunch, meron pa rin twist, meron pa din, and you can also articulate the legs. So since this is a custom figure, be very careful in rotating or articulating the parts kasi kung merong friction, meron pa rin chance na magkaroon ng mga paint rubs and paint scratches. So ito naman, naka-top coat naman to, so protected siya and nag-cure yung mga pieces. Pero yun nga, since this is a custom repainted figure, be very careful in articulating the parts. Kasi pag merong friction, meron talaga siyang may chance na magkaroon ng mga paint rubs or paint scratches. So ito yung mga iba pa accessories, the bracers, hands, and the alt heads. Okay, so if you want to see the full tutorial, meron akong upload sa YouTube natin, YouTube channel, Rain Cifra, or Ralph Cifra rather. So you can watch it. So thank you very much for watching. See you sa next video. Bye-bye.